Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I'm using the Mama Elephant Zodiac Monkey, which is a fairly new stamp set from Mama Elephant. Part of my goal really is to kind of use stamps I haven't used before, ones that I just purchased. So this is a newer one for me. This is an older one. I have used this a handful of times, but not very much. It's called Up and Away, and I use this mostly for the sentiments. And then I also used, this is from my creative time, and I used this one on one of my cards. You'll see that. So here they are. I don't know, I like what I made. So let's start with this one. So what I did was I stamped a bunch of the monkeys and little bits that go with the monkeys, color them all, cut them all out, and then I just make cards with them, or tags, or whatever it is that I want to make. Generally, not always, but that's what I did with these. So I used a variety paper in my stash. I also made some backgrounds, so I'll show you those. So here's the first card, and this is using a die in my stash. And this Spread Happiness Wherever You Go, that's from that Up and Away stamp set. And then this one, I used a stencil, and I also used, I think I used the Cosmic Shimmer. I used the green one of this one. It's like the gilding polish, I think is what I used. I have the Nouveau Mousse, and I think I've mentioned it before, but I hate that stuff. It's great when you first open it, and then you use it, and then it becomes, let's see if I have it to show you guys, because I think I might have thrown it out. I'm so, disgusted with it. But the Nouveau Mousse, I don't know if I have any more of it, but basically, you use it. I don't know that I used it for this one. I think I might have even used it for this one. I don't know. No, maybe for this one. Anyway, the Nouveau Mousse, it dries up in the jar. And so I had only opened that jar maybe a month ago. And, there are videos where you can put a little bit of water and try and get it reactivated. But that didn't work for me because it was hard like a rock. And this is the second time that I've used that Nouveau Mousse. And I just mention it because I think I might have used it on one of these cards. But anyway, I tried to reactivate it and I ended up throwing it away. I was really annoyed. But I used this stuff, the Cosmic product works really, really well. I have the Cosmic Shimmer and the Cosmic Duo or something. They're the ones, and they come with their own applicator, which I love. And so far, they're not all, they haven't died inside yet. So that's a good thing. They're not dried up. But this is another one that I made, and I used a stencil to create this background. Like that. And then here's another slimline card. And this paper is the Hooray paper from Crate Paper. And then here's the last card that I have. I had one of these guys left over from another project, so I included him with my monkey. And it says, "Hello, birthday girl." So very cute. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane at the Heart.